This is another very smooth side-by-side cowboy action shotgun from MK Group. I like the company because company policy and after sales service is perfect. They always send 3% free operational parts like firing pin, hammers, springs. Everybody says Turkish products is not good. I don't think so. 10 years ago, we were saying same things for Chinese products. Chinese products is not good. No, Chinese products is the perfect one. Better than Europa, better than many countries. Turkish products is so. They are making perfect products nowadays. Please inform me your final decision tomorrow. I will be waiting for you, okay? I am keeping my wild character alive because civilization is temporary for me. Humanity established civilization for a while and everybody will go outdoor and everybody will hunt their food. I should be a little silent, but I can say it is better than working in city. It is better than everything. I am talking about this. Nature is our mother and she will feed us always. Now I need to find a place for the night. I have a tent to prepare. There is no city voice, there is no traffic voice, there is no people voice. Nature is the best to live. I just remember I had a very bad armpit smelling, but I solved this problem. A friend from Turkey sent me an elixir, and after I put this elixir on my armpit smell gone forever. I am happy about that. I don't believe reincarnation, so I will live only once and I should live it in perfect life. Sleeping time.